And 5 simple foods really shield you from cancer for life. It sounds too good to be true. Yet, emerging research highlights a handful of ingredients with powerful anti-cancer properties. Meanwhile, most diets fails to include them. If you are confused by conflicting health claims, you are not alone. Today, we'll cut through the noise and reveal the top 5 cancer-fighting foods you need every week and how to fight them seamlessly into your life. Cancer arises from uncontrolled cell growth driven by DNA mutations, oxidative stress, and chronic inflammation, according to the NIH. Certain plant compounds, phytochemicals, can intercept carcinogenesis at multiple stages, scavenging free radicals, modulating detox enzymes, including apoptosis in abnormal cells, and inhibiting angiogenesis. Populations consume more of these bioactive rich foods show significantly lower cancer incidence and mortality. Let's explore the science behind 5 superstar foods that epidemiology and lab studies consistently praise. Cruciferous veggies like broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts are rich in sulforaphane, a potent NRF2 activator that boosts fish to detoxification enzymes. In a meta-analysis, high intake was associated with a 50% lower risk of various cancer, including breast and colorectal. Eat 1 cup of steamed or raw broccoli sprout 3 times per week. Lightly steam or chop and let it sit 10 minutes before cooking to maximize sulforaphane formation. Berries deliver anthocyanins, allergic acid, and vitamin C, antioxidant that neutralize reactive oxygen species and inhibit tumor progression. Prospective study linked daily berry intake to a 20% lower breast cancer risk. Blend half cup mixed berries into your morning yogurt or oatmeal daily. Frozen berries work equally well when fresh are in season. Turmeric's curcumin compound exerts anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and apoptosis-inducing effects in preclinical cancer models. Clinical trials show curcumin supplements around 2 grams per day reduce colorectal adenoma recurrence by 40% over 4 years. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder to soups or smoothies daily, paired with a black pepper for enhanced absorption. Consider 500 mg standardized curcumin capsules if dietary use is insufficient. Green tea rich in epigalleticidin gallate. Green tea suppresses angiogenesis and provokes cancer cell apoptosis. A cohort study of over 40,000 Japanese adults found that drinking greater than 5 cups per day was linked to a 30% lower incidence of esophageal cancer. Sip 3 to 5 cups of brewed green tea throughout the day. Steep leaves for 30 minutes at 80 Celsius degrees to optimize EGCG yield without bitterness. Tomatoes supply lycopene, a carotenoid that scavenges free radicals and modulates cell cycle regulators. Meta-analysis indicates high tomato lycopene intake reduce prostate cancer risk by 20%. Consume half cup cooked tomato products like a sauce or a paste daily for better lycopene absorption, combined with olive oil for optimal bioavailability. You might wonder, how can a simple berry or a cup of green tea compete with cancer? Truth lies in how food interacts with our biology daily. Unlike drugs, these bioactive compounds work preventively, reinforcing cellular defenses long before tumors form. They modulate inflammation, balancing hormones, and even repair damaged DNA. This is why diet isn't just a lifestyle choice, it's frontline protection. And when used strategically, these foods target the very roots of cancer itself. Chronic inflammation. Persistent low-grade inflammation promotes DNA damage and tumor microenvironment remodeling. Cytokines like TNF-alpha and interleukin-6 activate NF-κB signaling, fostering cancer cell survival. Oxidative stress. Excess reactive oxygen species cause base modification and strand breaks in the DNA. Without adequate antioxidant defenses, mutation rates soar. Insulin resistance and hyperinsulinemia. Elevated insulin and IGF-1 level stimulate cell proliferation and inhibit apoptosis, increasing colorectal and breast cancer risk. Diversify phytochemical sources. How to rotate cruciferous veggies, berries, and spices weekly to cover a broad spectrum of protective compounds. Mindful meal pairings. How to combine turmeric with the fats and black pepper, consume tomatoes with olive oil, pair green tea with a lemon juice to boost catechin stability. Consistent timing and portioning. How to pre-plan servings. Half cup berries every morning, 1 cup cruciferous vegetable to at lunch, using meal prep containers to ensure daily intake. Cancer-fighting foods offer powerful preventive potential, but only when consumed strategically and consistently. Broccoli, berries, turmeric, green tea, and tomatoes each target key carcinogenic processes. Start today. Add these foods to your grocery list. Experiment with recipes and track your intake. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe, and share to empower others. Remember, consult your health skill provider before making major dietary change.